Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. It all began with an old-timer, a Fiat Ducato Frankia, born in 1985, a car of historical value. Some parts of the campervan were rebuilt by the previous owners, and some were left to decay over time, rusty and dusty. For the years, it carried memories. This van is more than just a car. It's a tiny moving universe, a festival body providing a shelter and comfort for generations. And now the work begins. After a year of owning this beautiful vehicle, we just wanted to replace the broken fridge, to make our journeys a bit more comfortable.
We were expecting the delivery of our new fridge, but instead we received 4 toilets.
What seemed simple slowly revealed secrets hidden for decades. As we peeled back the walls, we discovered the truth. Rot, decay, everything was fragile. The van had survived, but barely.
Просто все гнилое. Жесть. Тут какая-то балка раньше была, вся гнилая.
Step by step, layer by layer, we exposed the bones of a sleeping giant. Every nail, every beam told a story. Look at this space now, empty, open, ready for transformation. But it still keeps its dirty secrets underneath. Every corner uncovered more and more and more rot. Another wall felt unhealthy, soft and wet. The gas heater didn't work. Water left its marks, time left its scars. Many parts were old and falling apart.
Oh.
And yet, there is beauty in this imperfection. It's a canvas for a dream. It all began with the fridge.
Да, а теперь...
Теперь у нас нет кухни, дыра в полу.
The further we go, the more we wonder, should we redo the entire van? We can imagine it again. A home, a spaceship, a wandering companion, carrying stories, people and dreams into the unknown. Our moving castle. Why not? Every challenge is an invitation to transform, to create, and to play.
Hello.
What seemed nice from the outside turned out to be very unhealthy inside. Very philosophical. Don't you think so? We could feel the old van waking up. With every rotten part we moved, it breathed a little lighter.
Последняя дверь, последняя стойка.
It started with the fridge, but here the journey just begins.